right, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Logan Burger. And as a reminder, Dave's Cooking Show airs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. So let's make up the Logan sauce. First, we have a half a cup of mayo, a quarter cup of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of dill relish, and we got a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then we're just going to stir that around, make sure everything's mixed, and then, and of course, salt and pepper. And then stir that around, make sure everything's mixed together, and leave it to chill out in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Okay, and now we're going to season our patties up. These are third-pound patties on a griddle that's set to about medium-high heat. And we're going to season them with my all-purpose seasoning. And don't be worried about over-seasoning the patties because, again, you're going to lose a lot when you go to flip. So, and keep in mind, this is pretty much the only seasoning this burger's going to get. So, you could probably stand to be a little bit generous with it. But about 3 to 5 minutes aside, and then this should be done. And we'll be ready for the next step. Okie dokie! Through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And to give them one final flip, because it's time to add some cheese. The first cheese we're going to put on this here burger is a nice little bit of provolone. Give a little bit of a beer splash to start some steam going. And then next cheese is good old American cheese. Probably the best cheese for burgers. And again, steam them in a little beer. And we'll be ready for the next step, which is assembly. Okay, so we have a nice toasted bun, and there's our patty. And then I just decided to slather some sauce on top and call this burger good. So, that is the Logan Burger. Done.